watoto watiriri nyumba itu ni njega, watoto watiriri ndingicida itu, watoto watiriri Laikipia makuragia kindu gitagwo apple, watoto watiriri guku gukuragio dragon fruit. Wewe reke nyambe ngunyitio geni thiini wa tafari ya mugambo wa murimi njitaga Kinoti wa Gitau. Umuthi ndiri muthe thiini wa kaunti ya Meru handu he gwitwo Kathura, na umuthi wikuigwa ndi Kathura nikio kwenda ambiriria na gukwira ati mundu utaumagira augaga no nyina urugaga wega, nikio nyumagarite ngoka nginya guku mwena wa Meru nigetha tuhote gucemania na mundu ugwitwo Kinoti Mugambi. Uyu augite egukuria itunda riri rigwitwo dragon fruit. Ni njui kuria angi mekuga nie ndiendaigua itunda ta riu riko rihana atia na rikuraga atia na riendagio ku. Maundu mau mothe nitugutaririo ni Kinoti, na muno muno wakigikia gwikigua ati kuria kiti agikuria kuria Laikipia agikuria kindu gigwitwo wa mbugu ipuri, na kuo guku Kinoti nake arakuria kindu gigwitwo itunda ria dragon fruit. Ndweke ndonye menye uria ukihana twaririe watoto watiriri nyumba itu ni njega. Mr. Kinoti shikilia hiyo koburi yako. Sawa sawa, mimi wananiita Kinoti wa Gitau.
Mimi naitwa Anthony Kinoti Mugambi na karibu hapa
Kathura village. Kuzaliwa na pia mambo yote ya kazi umeanza hapa. Wacha kwanza, kuna kitu inanishangaza. Nashindwa. Shamba iko wapi?
Shamba ni hivi unaona huku unaona.
But hii ni desert.
Hiyo desert ndio hayo mambo yote unasikia na ambayo utaona yako.
Ona nie ndiramakota engarigwo shamba iko wapi. Kwa hivyo tuko hapa na mundu aitwa Kinoti ili itatuambie atuonyeshe shamba ni gani.
Hiyo unaona
hii mawe hii.
Hiyo shamba.
Hai, ndugae kuona ici wicire ni kariaria tondu ni njuitwo na wo waka guthokerwo karia karia gekuma yo tatari thora ndukuona. Hii ndio umesema ni
dragon fruit.
Finally we are here. Tusonge hapa. Here it is.
Dragon fruit ni mmea ambao unamea hasa mahali hapana maji mingi. Vile mwanzo tulisema huko ni kwa mahiga.
Ni kwa mahiga, ni desert.
Onatwarora no mahiga. But we remember under our standard 3 geography about soil being from weathered rock.
Yes.
Now we can see what it is.
Yes.
With a little bit of organic matter. You remember where that the mulch thing was coming from?
Yeah, you told me.
Now you can see it.
Yes.
Dragon fruit is in the cactus family. It's not a cactus. The scientific name yake itagwo Hyrocereus.
Yes, cereus.
Yes. Ni koragwo ina mithemba ithatu.
Yes.
But when you look from the outside, they all look like the same other than the yellow one.
Okay.
Ino ni ya red, na kumenya ata ni ya red. Ukirora the flowering petals,
yes,
they have a red streak. And when it is ripe, the red streak is there. Wametinia thiini, you see it is red. The flesh inside is red.
Yes.
The outer skin is this color. No harded bego, ore itunda, orute bego, and you can plant.
Yes.
They are a bit shy to root. Shy to root means they are a little bit difficult. But no imere, and it will take you about 6 years or thereabout to get something. No tinie a mature cutting, like from a mother block like this. Na within 1 year or 1 year and a half, dragon fruit vile utajua. Na naambia wakulima ama wale wote ambao wanataka kupanda dragon fruit.
Yes.
Usiende soko mjinga, usiende mtandao ukaambiwa tunauza dragon fruit ukakimbia kununua. Agekwera ni ahadite dragon fruit. Kana na dragon fruit. Ask them one question. The question is this: do you have a mother block? Ukiona doi kidu gitagwo mother block niki tengera
Uraihenya.
Yeah, few. Mother block is a place where somebody gets their stock. They know this is a mother block. Mother block means you can come and see the fruit, get a mature cutting, and go and plant, and it should produce something in science called true to type. True to type. Like the parent. That's what is called true to type. Akwere a mother block. Fine. Please go and visit. Atikakwere a mother block, and then they go to the forest nearby and harvest some euphorbia or similar cactuses, and then they come and tell you. Because by mere looking, you may not tell. Then another very, very important thing, and we may see it here at the farm. These cactuses or these dragon fruits have varieties that are self-infertile, which means you have to come pick pollen from another plant and come and pollinate by hand yourself. If you don't, they will never be pollinated by other pollinators. So you should ask them that question. Are your plants self-fertile or self-infertile? Do they require cross-pollinators? Do they not require cross-pollinators?
Okay.
Once you are satisfied and you have seen, then now you can go and plant and wait 1 year, 1 year and a half.
Okay.
Don't be surprised if you take good care of it and in 9 months you have fruit. Dragon fruit,
yes,
haijali sana mambo ya udongo, sababu mambo ya kupima mchanga itafanya vizuri kutoka acidic soils to slightly alkalinic soil. Hiyo ni kusema udongo ambayo iko na pH ya about 5 mpaka around 7-8 inaweza fanya vizuri, lakini ya maana sana kwa dragon fruit sio udongo. Ya maana zaidi ni mbolea.
Hii no uhuthire thumu, tariu ithuĩ nĩ ngoraga mũndũ wĩna kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo thumu wa ng'ombe, ũrĩa angĩ makona thumu wa mbũri, ũgoka ũgaitĩrĩria, no ũhũthĩre?
Ndio, sisi hatuna mbolea.
Yes.
Ndio sababu tunatengeneza mbolea ya majani. Sasa tungekuwa na thumu, tungekuwa nayo mingi, tungeweka.
Hihi nĩ ũndũ wa andũ arĩa angĩ mena fertilizer, no ũhũthĩre fertilizer ndũrũ gũkorwo ũgĩkũria itunda rĩrĩ?
Unaweza weka ndio, kukimbiza kwa mimea, unaweza anza na nitrogenous fertilizer,
yes,
ile iko na nitrogen, lakini ikitoa maua usiipatie, narudia, usiipatie fertilizer ya nitrogen.
Yes.
Jambo la maana sana. Ipatie tu fertilizer ama ongezea nutrients ambazo ziko na phosphorus na potassium, sio nitrogen. Nitrogen ukipatia ni matawi, utaweka matawi mingi.
He mirimu kana turugi tukao tukemigia.
Ndio. Ugekorwo na huko ya kore mite yaku mumenyerere muno.
Yes.
Ugekorwo na dikidiki nyamwira cia githaka, rero ni iraria the young shoots, aphids no ciuke. Wekera mai maingi and the place is humid, ni ugukora ikinyitwo ni kindu gitwa soft tissue rot. Mai as much as possible, make sure it dries, and if it's humid, don't water. Ndiendete mai maingi. Recommended water regime ni keep the soil moist, not wet. Ikira mai once a week, na ti mai maingi, 4 liters per post. That is 1 liter per plant.
Kinoti ndanakora andũ angĩ ngaigua mũndũ akĩenda kũhanda ahũthagĩra kĩndũ gĩgwĩtwo concrete. Hĩndĩ hakwa andũ akwambatia na ikĩngĩ ta ici. Ta tũtarĩrie hihi inyuĩ nĩ mwambĩrĩirie ũhoro wa concrete, na no advice arĩmi mũndũ ũrenda kũhanda ahande na concrete?
Mũrĩmi arikane atĩrĩrĩ, nyamũ ĩno rĩ ti ya thikũ 2 thikũ 3, nĩ ya mĩaka na mĩaka. Kwoguo ukomba kuanda na more permanent structure, concrete ni best. Tondũ concrete ni longer lasting, itikuriwa ni muthwa, itikuriwa ni mai, it is longer lasting. Na ni tukuona
niguo na ngĩthie ndenda gũikĩria rĩ cuma kana cuma nĩ gũthũkia nĩ ũndũ wa kũrota na
no wĩkĩre cuma ĩndĩ no nginya ũmĩhoge round tigacine itunda rĩaku na cuma ũmĩhake rangi for no trusting.
Nĩterera Mwirori rekei twambe tuikirie gwiciria maundu ni magirire muno na dragon fruit ino itu ni thakarire o wega tugicokereria twi haha twina mundu ugwitwo Kinoti ni tugukorwo tukigweta maingi megie itunda riri ngwiciria ni thahabu itu iria twirite hithitwo riu ni yahithurio riu ni twanjirie kumenya tukumiruta kutuhande tuthondeke miri itu ona ningi tuthondeke mbeca thiini wa mihuko itu. Turacoka thutha kainda atari kuraihu.